Good morning everyone. Now we are going to learn about lesson 1 continuity term 2 historical places subject social science standard 3. In last class we learned about Seesaw temple, Panjaradas Fort St. George. In this part we learn about Thiruvalluvar statue, Vivekananda Rock, Tanjavur Periya Kovil, Senji Fort and important temples. Historical places in Tamil Nadu. Thiruvalluvar statue. He is Thiruvalluvar, who wrote the famous Thirukkural. This statue is in Kanyakumari. This statue is 133 feet tall. Thirukkural has 133 Adhikarams or chapters. This statue height denotes the number of chapters in Thirukkural. The statue is built on the rock which is surrounded by Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Next one, Vivekananda Rock Memorial. It is a popular tourist monument in Kanyakumari district in India. It was built in 1970 in honor of Swami Vivekananda, who is said to have attained enlightenment on the rock. According to local legends, it was on this rock that goddess Kumari performed austerity. On 24 December 1892, Vivekananda went to Kanyakumari and meditated for 3 days on a large rock and took the resolution to dedicate his life to serve humanity. The event is known as the Kanyakumari Resolve of 1892. He reportedly also meditated for a long time on the day of his death, that is 4th July 1902. Next one, Tanjavur Periya Kovil. This is a very famous Tanjavur Periya Kovil, also known as Brihadishwara temple. It was built by Rajaraja Cholan. The Nandi inside the temple was built using a single stone. Another interesting fact about the temple is that the shadow of the main temple does not fall on the ground. The main temple of Tanjavur Periya Kovil is entirely built with granite. Next one, Senji Fort. Senji Fort is located in Viluppuram district. This is one of the old fort in Tamil Nadu and was built by the Cholas. The Senji Fort is surrounded by a big wall that is a compound that runs around 13 kilometers long and closing the fort and height of 800 feet. Next one, architecture. The art of making buildings is called architecture. Next one, monuments. Historical buildings. Next one, museum. It is a place where historical things. Important historical places in Tamil Nadu. Kanjipuram temples in Kanjipuram district. Mahabalipuram Seesaw temple in Kanjipuram district. Sidambaram Nararajar temple in Kadalur district. Meenakshi Amman temple in Madurai district. Tanjavur Brihadishwara temple in Tanjavur district. Vellur Fort in Vellur district. Gangaikonda Solapuram temple in Ariyalur district. Padmanabhapuram palace in Kanyakumari district. Kunnadar Koil Have temple in Pudukottai district. Senji Fort in Viluppuram district. Are you clear, student? We have come to the end of this lesson. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.